So this is going to be your sternum. Right here at the bottom is going to be the xiphoid process, and I try to think X at the bottom, so it's like the end. Higher up you have the body, which is right here in the center, and then right above that you have your jugular notch, and then right over here is going to be the clavicular notch. So this is going to connect to your scapula, your clavicle. So this one is going to be the humerus. Right over here is the head of the humerus. This is going to be the greater tubercle, the lesser tubercles on the other side, divided by the intertrabecular notch. And you follow that down, this is going to be the deltoid tuberosity. So if you go down here, this is going to be your medial epicondyle. On the other side of that is going to be your lateral epicondyle. Down at the bottom is going to be the capitulum right here, and then the trochlea. And then if you turn this to the posterior view, right over here is going to be the olecranon fossa. And on this side is going to be the radial fossa, and then the coronoid fossa. This is going to be your clavicle. Right over here is going to be the sternal end, and on the other side is going to be the proximal end. The anterior view of the scapula. Right up here you're going to have the acromion. Down here is going to be the glenoid fossa. Right up here is going to be the coraconoid process. This is going to be your superior angle. Down here is going to be your inferior angle. And you turn that to the posterior view. This is going to be the inferior suprafossa, subsuprafossa, and then right up here is going to be the subscapular fossa. And this is the posterior view of the spine of the scapula. This is the view of the rib. This is the dorsal view. This is going to connect to your vertebrae, and then this is going to be posterior to the front of the body.
Have your ulna, and how to remember it is because it's going to have this U shape in here, and then we're going to have your olecranon process, which is at the top right here, and then we're going to have your trochlear notch, and then we're going to have your coronoid process. It kind of divots out in like a crown, like a little point, and then we're going to have your radial notch that's going to be right in here, and then we're going to have your styloid process, which is going to be down at the distal end, and it's going to have like this little kind of like a high heel, and it's very pointy. So here we're going to have your radius, and how I remember is because it has a circle, like a radius of a circle up at the top of it. You're going to have your head of your radius, and then you're going to have your neck of your radius, and then you're going to have the radial tuberosity, which sticks out right here. Sticks out. And then we are going to have your ulnar notch. So this one's going to be right here. This is right where the ulna is going to go. And then we're going to have your styloid process, which just like the ulna, it's going to have a little pointy part at the bottom. So it's your styloid process. Here we're going to have your right hand, and it's going to start off with your carpals. You're going to have 8 bones. So it's going to start right here. It's going to go 1, it's going to be your scapuloid. This is going to be your lunate. This is going to be your triquetral. This is going to be your pisiform. It's going to stick out right here. You're going to start again at 4. So it's going to be at your trapezium, and this is your trapezoid. And then this one's going to be your capitate, and then your hamate. So right here we're going to have your metacarpals. Starting off with the thumb, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the next ones are going to be your phalanges. So you have proximal, middle, and distal. So we're going to start with your proximals. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then your middle ones are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have your distals. It's going to start with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.